Hello guys, welcome back to another product review video, and we're at the allotment at the moment, as you can see, and we're just going to review this bird and butterfly netting, and it's by gardennaturally.com. It's the 3 by 10 meters, and that's some information about it. It's for fruit and vegetables, and it keeps cabbage, white butterflies and birds out. Okay.
Obviously it's not foolproof, but it's good stuff. So first time we've ever bought this because we're new to this. It's very smooth, it's strong, it's easy to use.
And it comes folded up, doesn't it?
Folded
You just don't
up.
fold it.
So these guys, delivery was really quick.
Raw mail parcel, raw mail 24 tract, I think it was.
Can't knock that. It was just quite seamless. You know, you place your order and you get it. It's a seamless process with them. It was easy. So that's what you want.
How are we using it? Because we've got
Right.
raised beds here, haven't we? So we're using it a little bit differently to maybe traditional.
So in the early days, we built these what we called H frames.
Just show you on the video. So
Yeah.
raised beds, pallet collars with these H frames.
Now, we always thought that perhaps there was an easier and cheaper way of protecting not your fruit but your veg from butterflies and birds and things. So we built this with the intention of doing what we've done, and we've gone. So if you look here, just for people if they're interested,
Speak up a bit 'cause it's windy.
just for people who are interested, there's 1 pallet, 2, 3, 4, and we've got a 2-foot gap between these. And and we've managed to get the netting all the way along to here, and at the end, what we've done up there, we've simply held it down with some wood. Now, you can see we're running it all the way along. So the next thing is finding an easy way to keep this netting down. It's not going to be 100% proof, I know it isn't, but it's better than nothing. So look, this is our solution. We'll see if it works. So these raised beds are 120 centimetres long. There, from that bracket to there. These were bought from D&JHowTo. We're back to the old trusty CLS again, and I've cut this at 119, and this is literally what we're doing. We're cutting it at 119 and we're placing it in there.
Just to weigh it down.
Weigh it down there and weigh it down there, and that literally
We've put ones at the end as well, aren't we?
If we're that fussy about this end here, look, just put a clip on it or something, a peg, that would work. Just pull enough through so you can do that. That way you've got everything protected. You see, the other thing about this as well, if and when you want to pick stuff, you can just lift it up and pull it out, just pop it back down. It's nice and easy, and come the winter, roll your net up, put your bits of wood away, done, finished. That's what we do it. So when we come to these other raised beds which are here, we're going to do the same. Literally, we're going to come across, just lie it flat, but when we put our wood this time, we'll literally do that. And we'll put bits going all the way along, same here, all the way along, and we'll just protect all our
Crops, basically.
crop.
Got lettuce in here.
Now, hope it's going to work. Can't see why it wouldn't.
It'll provide some fairly good protection, won't
It's a
it?
sealed unit.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't it? We've got a cucumber in there. We've got peas there, garden peas. In case you're just wondering, lettuce.
Yeah, so as John says, lettuce, garden peas, cucumber, carrots in here.
And some coming up from seed in there.
Some
as
coming
well.
up from seed. So
We decided, if I just show you something that we initially thought we might do. Well, we're going to make a lot of these for the beds.
yeah, we were going to make these, but we don't think we will actually.
Unless we turn up one morning and everything is like ripped through,
Yeah.
then we'll try this method here.
Yeah.
Because it's easier, and it's I think this was about £40 this netting, or £30, I can't quite remember. I would say it wasn't the cheapest out there, but of all the reviews that I saw, and this company looked quite professional online, that's why I went for this. That was just a gut.
So the netting is really good quality, so hopefully if you're looking at buying the netting, this review is helpful to you. Not only that, if you have got raised beds or another configuration, hopefully this review is also helpful to you.
Just remember to
well.
do like I was saying, if you want to seal these ends off, have your wood cut first, and just make sure you've got enough to pull that together.
What we might have to do is pull a bit more from that
Yeah.
way upwards, just so we
So-
can bunch it at the ends.
So this is basically what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
we just sit it on top of this
So
stuff.
there's our wood in place there, and if we wanted just to, I reckon even the clothes peg would be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, even on there or on there. We'd do the same here, this end, and we'd have our strips of wood there. So it will work, it'll be fine.
The good thing about this is you can cover a lot of an area quickly, and you can remove it and apply it as you need to.
You can cover a lot of area cheaply as well.
Yeah.
Because
Not building separate ones for every
just remember,
single
if you
thing.
have like this H-frame construction that we've done, and this was just roof battens, you could put fruit bushes in here as well.
Yeah, the thing is about these H-frames is not everything you're growing will need some, but if you've got like peas, you need a substrate to grow things up on.
In essence, the H-frame is to support netting, polythene, anything you want to put on. You can make if you've had a length of polythene, say
like a polytunnel.
you could
pretty
have a
much.
little, you could have
a mini greenhouse thing all the way
a
along.
polytunnel for the cost of the polythene and these really. So anyway, I know it's probably not the usual way of doing things, but we're trying different ways for costs and convenience, and we're probably trying different ways because we're new to it. So, but so far, if you look at what we've got growing, the plants are down to Melanie. So if you look, those have been grown from the ground.
Yeah, these have all been grown from seeds pretty much. Even these
These have been grown on
cucumbers
the
as well.
windowsill at home. They're
Yeah.
looking a bit sorry because they've just been put in.
Yeah.
But we'll give them a squirt of water in a minute with our spray. But everything seems to be absolutely fine growing at the moment. We've got one or two little things we've heard that can attract bees, like putting beeswax and lemon essential oil. So I'll put some beeswax.
We'll do another video
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope it sort of helped you along a little bit.